I don't think there's a specific moment.
So many moments. I can't pick one.
I think after the first few meets, I realized she's the kind of person that should be in my life.
To see within is to feel without a lie.
For him, he had like these boxes to tick, and like Sana ticked all of it.
All the boxes are ticked.
Major one, like he was like, yeah, I want someone who loves a cat.
Just a bounce across the pond.
He has a cat, Leo. So like after, we met a couple of times. So I told that I want to meet Leo. So he said to me that, we'll be meeting Leo forever in your life. So yeah, so that's when I decided that take this one step ahead.
And then on my birthday, she actually gifted me Noori. And that was like a really special moment when everything's changed.
If I think about him, all I can think of is like, calm person. And I'm a very loud, expressive, always moving.
Like completely opposite of what I am.
But he's a very fun person inside.
So it kind of complements us,
And I think that's the best part about their relationship. They both are so different.
Yeah, but they complement each other well.
So well, exactly.
And I really hope their life is going to be full of adventurous like her and a lot of calmness and everything like him. And it will be like a beautiful mixture of both so that they have a beautiful journey ahead.
My marriage is something I was looking forward from a very young age. I wanted everything to be particular, especially my bridal walk. It was all that I've envisioned actually.
The moment when she walked in.
And I'm looking at Ashim, it was all dreamy. I would say dreamy.
That was, I don't know, magical, I would say. I can be with her, I would never get bored, and we would do so many things together.
And we can just go out together, going places, doing fun stuff, eating a lot of nice food.
I think it's just like being together, doing things together, all this simple stuff, basically. That's what I like. And that's what she also likes. मेरी खाली आँखों का नज़ारा हो गया तेरे होने से मेरा गुजारा हो गया हवाओं की I feel so relieved actually after all the chaos that has happened so far, but it was all worth it, I feel.
This was totally worth a shot.